Greetings students. I hope all of you are fine. So in this module, we will discuss few of the numericals based upon Newton's second law of motion. So the mathematical equation or the formula that we have already discussed during the derivation of Newton's second law of motion. So in this module, we will discuss about few of the numericals based upon Newton's second law of motion. So I have written the three of the questions that is also the part of your NCERT book. You can find the statements of these three numerical after the Newton second law in your NCERT book. So now we will solve them one by one. So we will start with the first numerical. So whenever you are solving the numerical, you can adopt the method. Which method? First find out from the given statement what is given in the value, what is given in the numerical, कि numerical में दिया क्या हुआ है. Then second thing is find out what is the requirement of the numerical, means what we have to find out. So every time when we solve the numerical, we will divide the statement into two parts: given data and what we have to find out. So first we will read the statement carefully. A constant force acts on an object, कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उस पर क्या लग रहा है, कांस्टेंट फोर्स लग रहा है, वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो रही, ऑफ ए मास 5 किलोग्राम. सो अप टू दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हाट इज गिवन? मास विच इज 5 किलोग्राम. So constant force act on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. So second parameter which is given is time, 2 seconds. It increases the object velocity, कि जो फोर्स लगाया हमने 5 किलोग्राम ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर कितने टाइम के लिए? 2 सेकेंड्स के लिए. It increases the object velocity from 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड to 7 मीटर पर सेकेंड. की शुरू में वेलोसिटी कितनी थी? 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. After application of force, the velocity changes to 7 meter per second. So what does it mean? कि पहले वो कितनी velocity से move कर रहा था? 3 meter per second. So initial velocity is u, and value of u is given in this statement 3 meter per second. And after application of force, velocity changes from 3 to 7 meter per second. नेक्स्ट इज फाइंड द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ अप्लाइड फोर्स. कितना फोर्स लगाया वो हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. वन मोर थिंग इज गिवन इन दिस स्टेटमेंट, द सेकेंड पार्ट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट फॉर सेकेंड इफ दैट फोर्स इज अप्लाइड फोर्स. पहले कितनी देर के लिए लगाया? फॉर द 2 सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट ही सेइंग इफ द फोर्स इज अप्लाइड फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 5 सेकेंड, कि सेकेंड केस में वो 2 सेकेंड की बजाय 5 सेकेंड तक फोर्स लगाता है. एंड व्हाट वुड बी द फाइनल वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. So first we solve the first A part, then we move to second part. So in the A part, what we have to find out? We have to find out the magnitude of applied force. So after writing up to this point, what is given, what we have to find out, then you can write we are solving, or you can write the formula that you are using. You can write a heading, the formula which we are using, and the formula is according to Newton's second law of motion. So if you write in a proper pattern, so automatically you will be able to solve the numericals. So according to the Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to mv minus u by t. All of you are aware about the formula for Newton's second law of motion. So why I am using this formula? Because according to the given parameters, mass is given, time is given, initial velocity is given, final velocity is given. तो ये formula, ये expression किस में होते हैं? In the Newton's second law of motion. So F is equal to, what is the value of m? It is given. Put this value 5 kilogram. What is the value of final velocity? 7 given. Initial velocity u 3 divided by time is given 2 seconds. So when you solve this, f is equal to 5, 7 minus 3, 4, by 2, 2 2s are 4, that will be 10 Newton. So for the first case we have calculated the amount of force that is required to change the velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. So this is the first part. Now if we want to calculate the second part, so first we will read the statement. Now if the same force जो हमने first में calculate किया, now if the force is applied for a duration of 5 seconds, कि जो हम 10 न्यूटन फोर्स लगा रहे हैं, अगर हम 2 सेकंड के लिए लगाते हैं तो वेलोसिटी 3 से 7 हो जाती है. अब वो कह रहा है इफ दैट 10 न्यूटन फोर्स इज अप्लाइड फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 5 सेकंड, व्हाट वुड बी द फाइनल वेलोसिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी पूछ रहा है, इनिशियल तो उसने हमको ऊपर ही दे दी, दैट इज 3 मीटर पर सेकंड. सो फॉर द सेकंड केस द ओनली थिंग that is changed is time is changed. Now the time is 5 seconds. So I hope this first part is clear to everyone. So how to solve the second part? To solve the second part, you can again use the formula F is equal to m v minus u by time, the other time that we have to take. So F, of course we have already calculated in the first case, which is 10 Newton, mass is same 5, final velocity we have to calculate minus, but rather than doing like this, first simplify the expression, so it will be easy for you to solve this. F is equal to, I am multiplying mass mv mu by time t2. अब मैं ऊपर लेके आ रहा हूँ इसको, F into time t2 is equal to mv minus mu. Now I will put the values of expression. What is F? 10 calculated in the first case. What is time now? 5 seconds. Mass is 5. Final velocity we have to calculate. Mass is 5 and initial velocity is 3. And now 50 is equal to 5v minus 15. Now 50 इसको हम इधर ले आएंगे, माइनस से क्या हो जाएगा प्लस 15 5v, 65 is equal to 5v, v is equal to 65 by 5. So final velocity is 30 meter per second. The same magnitude of force, if it is applied for the time period of 5 seconds, the velocity changes into 13 meter per second. So now you can take the screenshot of this solution and can write the answer. I am giving you 2 seconds to take the screenshot, then I will solve the second numerical. So this is the solution of first numerical. Now we will solve the second one. Again we will follow the same pattern. The same pattern is what is given in this statement and what we have to find out. So read the statement carefully. Which would require a greater force? There are two conditions given. दोनों में से पूछ रहा है किसमें ज्यादा फोर्स लगेगा. Accelerating, first is accelerating a 2 kilogram mass at a 5 meter per second square. कि कितना फोर्स लगाएं 2 किलोग्राम मास के ऊपर कि उसमें एक्सेलरेशन कितना अचीव हो जाए 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. एंड द सेकेंड केस इज 4 किलोग्राम मास एट ए 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. दे आर आस्किंग द value of force in the first case, value of force in the second case. So what is given? We will divide this statement into two parts, case 1 and case 2. What is given in the case 1? Accelerating a 2 kilogram mass. So first case m1 which is 2 kilogram और acceleration कितना है 5 meter per second square. So m1 a1 is 5 meter per second square. Now find out about the second case, a 4 kilogram mass. So m2 is 4 kilogram mass at a 2 meter per second square. So acceleration second case में कितना अचीव करना है 2 meter per second square. Now we will follow the same pattern. We will write the formula which we are using according to the Newton's second law of motion. F is equal to ma. Now for the first case, F1 is equal to m1a1, F2 is equal to m2 A2. So now we'll put the values. F1, what is the value of M1? 2. What is the value of A1? 5. F2, what is the value of M2? 4. What is the value of A2? 2. Now when we simplify this, 10 Newton, F2 is 8 Newton, and they are asking which would require a greater force. So it is clear from this, F1 will require the greater force to accelerate at a कितना फोर्स लगाएंगे कि acceleration achieved by the first object will be 5 meter per second square. So in the first case we have to apply the more force. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. This is simple numerical. We just have to find out the force in each case and then compare them. So by the comparison, so first the value of F1 is 10 Newton. It is more than that of second case. So now you can take the screenshot of second numerical. Next is numerical number 3. For the numerical number 3, a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour. So initial velocity is given कि कार है पहले से ही मूव कर रही है, initial velocity is 108 km per hour and it takes 4 seconds to stop. The time taken is 4 seconds. And what is this? The motor car is stopped. तो मतलब पहले वो मूव करती है 108 km per hour से, ब्रेक अप्लाई की 4 सेकेंड्स के लिए और वो क्या हो गया, रुक गई. रुकने का मतलब क्या है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज नाउ 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड. द ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड. कैलकुलेट द फोर्स exerted by the brakes. So we have to calculate the force exerted by the brakes on motor car. If the mass along with the passenger is 100 kilogram. So one more term which is given in the last line, 1000 is there, I have said 100. So 1000 kilogram. So what we have to calculate? Force. So before calculating the force, again we will use the formula mv minus u by t. But every time when we take the velocity, it is always given in meter per second. But in this case, the velocity is given in kilometer hour. So first step will be to convert that into meter per second. So what is our velocity? U is given 108 kilometer per hour. So how we can convert 108 for kilometer into meter? 1000. For hour into second, 60 into 60. And you will get, after solving this, you will get 30 meter per second. So 30 meter per second. So whenever you are solving this, if you are converting, show it in your answer sheet कि आप convert कर रहे हो और कैसे कर रहे हो. So 30 meter per second. So now we'll put these values. Now it is simple. F we have to calculate. What is the mass? 1000 kilogram. What is the final velocity? 0. Minus initial velocity. Now we don't have to write in the kilometer per hour. We have to write in the meter per second. So 30 meter per second. And the time which is given? 4 seconds. So now we'll simplify it. 1000 into minus 30 divided by 4. F is equal to minus में आगे लेके आ रहा हूँ. तो 1000 into 30 by 4. The force will be minus 7500 Newton. When you solve this, you will get F is equal to minus 7500 Newton. Now one more thing which is different from the other numerical is, see the sign of force. Force is minus 7500 Newton. So what does this minus sign state? कि minus sign से पता क्या चलता है? So what is the meaning of minus sign? Read the statement. A motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour and it takes 4 seconds to stop. तो हमने क्या किया, गाड़ी जो हमारी मोटर कार है पहले से ही मोशन में है, हमने ब्रेक अप्लाई की है. ब्रेक अप्लाई करने से क्या हो गई, हमारी मोटर कार रुक गई है. सो फोर्स किसने लगाया? ब्रेक ने. कोई चीज मोशन में उसको रोकना है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो जिस डायरेक्शन में मोशन में होते हैं उसकी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में हमको क्या लगाना पड़ता है, फोर्स लगाना पड़ता है. So brakes are applying force in the opposite direction so that the motor car will stop. So that is why the sign of force is minus 7500 Newton, and the minus sign states that the force is applied in the opposite direction of force. So after writing up to this point, you have to also state the meaning of minus sign. How you have to state? Minus sign or minus 7500 Newton indicate that that much amount of force is required to oppose the flow of or oppose the motion of motor. क्योंकि अगर आप opposite direction में लगाएंगे then only the motor car will stop. So I hope these three numericals are clear to everyone. So you can write the solution of third numerical by taking the screenshot, and if you have any query you can write in the comment section. So thank you students. Now you can take the screenshot.